How to fix late notification problem on Instagram. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix late notification problem on Instagram. So I'll show you two methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method is now open up your Instagram like this. After you open your Instagram like this, now go to your profile. After you come to profile, go to this menu. From this menu, now scroll to down. After you scroll to down, now go to this where it says notification, this one. So from this option now, as you can see, it says force all, force all. So tap on this option now to turn it off. So after you turn off this option, but still your Instagram notification are coming in late, so here is the best way to fix it. So now close the Instagram. Now you can go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram app. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and just search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram like this, now go ahead and update your Instagram app. So here is my Instagram. Now tap on this Instagram and update your Instagram. After you finish updating your Instagram, from there your problem will be solved. That's it guys on how to fix late notification problem on Instagram. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe.